Welcome to a Joyfill Form Builder tutorial. In this video, I'm going to cover how mobile forms work in the form builder. By the end of this video, you will have a good understanding of how to access, build, and modify fillable mobile forms. Let's dive in. Joyfill has mobile responsiveness automatically built in and active by default. Meaning, when you build a form, it is simultaneously creating a mirrored mobile view. To view the mobile form, toggle the mobile icon located at the bottom of the form frame. To access the mobile form settings, click the gear icon in the bottom right of the form frame while in the mobile view. To disable the mobile view from mirroring the web view, check off the field syncing enabled setting. This will allow you to freely create an entirely different set of fields, change field order, or change styles for the mobile form. Hopefully, this video gave you a good understanding of how mobile forms work. Thanks for watching.